All I was trying to do was lay your body down, but here you go with all this bullshit. Now you take the fun out of all the bullshit. You want some other shit, now you take the fun out of it. All I wanted to do was just lay your body down, lay your body down. Now we got some issues, they need some tissues, but there is no one to blame, but we are still together, babe. I'm still trying to make it there for you, still trying to make it there for me. I know we got this together, I know we got this together, babe. 'C's I really love you, you say you really love me. Maybe this is trial and error, this is trial and error. If we can't make it happen, then we can't make this passion. Excuse my fucking language, yeah. I know you don't like it, baby, but it sees my mind. You tell me to seize my mind. Never settle for love, but I'ma settle for love with you and others, but we're not talking about others. See, I've been hurt so many times, I know you hurt it so many times. Fuck with me. Just playing around, y'all.